So Jai Hind everyone. Let us discuss what we are going to do in today's class. In today's class, we'll discuss about NCERT exercise 3.6, which is basically on the topic of finding SCF. Okay, now SCF we can find out in many of the ways. If you remember, one of the method is already discussed by us, that was writing down the factors. ठीक है, जिसमें हम लोगों ने फैक्टर्स लिखे थे, लिस्ट बनाई थी उसकी, and then we have taken out common, and after taking out common we have also done that which is the highest common in all, and then we found out HCF. That was one method. That method was listing method. उस method को हम बोलते हैं listing method, जो हम लोग already पहले कर चुके हैं. Okay, now today's exercise we will do the another method of finding HCF. No, so please try to understand this method thoroughly. Okay, so the first question is, find the HCF of the following. Question number 1, find the HCF. Okay, no, so suppose my first question is 18 and 48. Now this is the question which I took from NCERT book. Okay, so let us understand how we do this type of question. So beta, सबसे पहले remember, just now we have understood the process of prime factorization. So this method is prime factorization method. The finding SCF by prime factorization method. In that, what we do? The first step, we take out the the prime factorization of both the numbers. Okay, so let us find out the prime factorization of 18 here, and this side we will do the prime factorization of 48 here. Okay, now let's try. 2 9s are 18, go by 3 again, that is 3 3s are 9, and again it will go by 1, that is 3 3 3s are, so 3 1s are 3. So now 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So we have got as 2 into 3 into 3 for this 18. Okay, for 18 we have got it 2 into 3 into 3. Now let's try the same method for the number 48. So 48 is an even number which will go by first 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. We have got 24. Now again it will go by 2 only, which will give us 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now we have got it 12. Now let's understand the second number. Again that is 2 because it is again 12. So 2 6 are 12. Now again it will go by 2 again, that will be 2 3s are 6. And now at the last it will go by 3. So 3 1s are 3. Now for the number 48, we will have the prime factorization 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 and 5, that is 3. Okay, now I have written both the side the prime factorization. Now beta, the first method is done. The first thing is done, that we will do the prime factorization of the number. Now the second thing we will do, we will see the common in it. What is the common that we will see? So here we have 2, here we have 2, here we have more 2, but here we don't have. So the common means जो दोनों में होना चाहिए, ठीक है? So we have taken out 2 as a common. Now the next number is 3. 3 is here also and 3 is here also. Now we have more 3 here, but यहाँ है but उधर नहीं है. So we cannot take it. So now we will have common is equals to 2 and also 3. So 2 into 3 is the common factors over here. So at the last, what we will do? Just simply 2 multiply by 3, which will give you 6. This is the HCF of the question. The answer of this particular question will be, highest common factor will be 6. The highest common factor will be 6.